I welcome you all. Myself, Dr. Rajeshwari Gajvi. I am neurophysiotherapist and working as an assistant professor at Sharda College of Physiotherapy, Gandhinagar. Today is 8th September and we are celebrating it as a World Physiotherapy Day. I wish you all happy World Physiotherapy Day. It's common to experience the feelings of stress and anxiety right now. As a result of coronavirus pandemic, our schedules have been turned upside down and our future may feel unpredictable. Fortunately, there are many physiotherapy techniques that you can use to de-stress yourself, boost your immunity, cut down your anxiety and pain relief. Techniques like relaxation techniques, meditation, yoga, breathing exercise. Sample example of relaxation technique is Jacobson relaxation and Laura Missa relaxation techniques. And meditation like breath awareness meditation, mindfulness meditation, different type of meditation like mental imaginary technique you can use. So our session is about guided meditation for lungs healing. Meditation is a mind and body practice that has a long history of use for improving psychological balance, for relaxation physically and improving calmness. So it will enhance your all level of day. You can begin with 2 minutes of meditation on daily basis. First, you have to find quiet environment, comfortable posture or position like sitting or supine lying. Then you have to focus on your breath, close your eyes and focus or engage with the prayers.
Breathing meditation that helps to lower the stress and supports the health and healing. All of us are now well aware of the connection between stress levels and immune function. Taking a few minutes to sit quietly, focus on your breathing and visualize the healthy function of your respiratory system. You can pair this meditation with your favorite breathing technique or with simple breath awareness. Just to know that slowing your breathing down by any method will help to calm your nervous system and support healthy immune function. Let's begin by sitting comfortably in a chair or a cushion. Gently close your eyes. Take a few moments to settle into your body. Feel the support of whatever you are sitting on. If your feet are on the ground, feel the support of earth. Take a few deep breaths. Releasing any held tension as you exhale. As you breathe in and out, allow your chest and belly to expand on inhale and relax on exhale. Breathing in, visualize the air coming into your lungs as a soft green color, like the leaves of your favorite plant or a tree. Breathing out, visualize the air leaving your lungs as a dark color, full of all waste material and toxins that your body doesn't need or doesn't want. Continue this for a while. Seeing your lungs fill up completely with this vibrant green air and emptying themselves of anything that's not needed or wanted for the healthy function of your body. You might even visualize the plants in your house or the trees in your surrounding environment breathing with you, providing healthy, vitalized air that is cleaning your lungs and blood. As you breathe in, think, breathing in, I receive health and vitality. As you breathe out, think, breathing out, I release stress and worry. Breathing in, I receive health and vitality. Breathing out, I release stress and worry. Breathing in, I receive health and vitality. Breathing out, I release stress and worry. Thank you so much.
So in the end of the session, open your eyes, see the world with a fresh and new perspective. Start your day with positivity and gratitude. Have a beautiful day.